Hello everyone and welcome back to Urban Verban. In today's video we are going to unbox iPhone 12 blue color 128GB. हम इसके साथ ये भी डिस्कस करेंगे कि how can we avail maximum discounts on the new iPhone 12 and related Apple accessories in India. जैसे कि Apple Watch, Apple AirPods and some other things that we need to buy as accessories. Now let's get started with the unboxing and also stay tuned till the end of the video to understand the maximum benefits that we can avail when we're buying iPhone in India. इसमें जितने भी maximum discounts होंगे on all of the Apple products that we are going to show to you in this video. We're going to discuss the discounts that we have got and it's going to be a massive discount that we are going to be discussing here. So stay tuned. Now here's our really beautiful iPhone 12. This is the blue color. The market price for this phone is 84,900 and जो maximum benefits and discounts avail करके हमें प्राइस पड़ा है that is 64,900. जो 5,000 का डिस्काउंट इसमें हमें मिला है that is on the HDFC कार्ड, उसमें 5,000 का कैशबैक है and the other discount that I am talking about is not actually a discount, it's basically a benefit that I have received by selling my phone on Cashify. I had OnePlus 6, I sold it on Cashify and I got 14,900 का discount which is great and मुझे absolutely 20,000 basically off पड़ गया इस पे iPhone 12 पे, which is great. And here are all of the things that you can see that you will receive inside the box. You will not get a charging brick in the box. You will only get a charging cable which will come along with the pin and some other documentation. But जो आपको charging brick है that will cost you about 1,900 that you will have to buy from outside. You can buy it from an Apple store or maybe from Amazon. It's easily available everywhere. Now in the second part of the video we are going to be discussing the accessories for iPhone 12. Starting with this plastic cover. It's a cover from Caseology. I have bought it from Amazon. The market price for this cover was 1,200 where the discounted price is 1,050. This discount was there on Amazon when I went and wanted to buy this cover, so I think this will be applicable all around the year. It's a really nice cover. It has bumper on its edges and it also has a very nice protective rim on the outside. So आपकी स्क्रीन भी प्रोटेक्ट होती है, बैक भी प्रोटेक्ट होता है एंड आईफोन के एजेस भी प्रोटेक्ट होते हैं. It is very important कि आप एक अच्छे कवर में इन्वेस्ट करो when you're buying a phone like that. It's important that you protect your phone from any sort of physical damage. Best part is that since this cover is transparent, you can also see the blue color of your iPhone 12, which is the main point of actually selecting the color. Next in our segment is Apple AirPods Generation 1. So these AirPods are compatible with your iPhone. The market price for it is 14,900. I got it for 9,900. So the discounted price in any store, whether you go to Chroma or you go to Reliance Digital, is going to be 12,900 basically. All round year 2,000 का इस पर डिस्काउंट रहता है. It is a really good accessory since ये आपके iPhone 12 के साथ काफ़ी compatible है. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं it automatically detects when you open your AirPods. जो additional 3,000 का डिस्काउंट मुझे Apple AirPods पे मिला है that is on HDFC card. Again इस पे flat 3,000 का डिस्काउंट चल रहा है on all of these stores. कुछ डिस्काउंट्स होते हैं जो आपको ऑनलाइन नहीं मिलेंगे. यू विल हैव टू विजिट द स्टोर पर्सनली एंड यू विल हैव टू सी कि आपके कौन से कार्ड पे कितना डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. देयर आर यूजुअली दी स्कीम्स दैट आर अवेलेबल ऑन ऑल ऑफ these stores that you will visit and you might not get to know about these deals if you're sitting at home and ordering online. तो I would suggest कि आप एक बार स्टोर पे जाके अपने कार्ड पे चल रही स्कीम को देखें. इसी के साथ अब हम बात करेंगे एक और एक्सेसरी की which is a cover for your AirPods. This is a cover that I've bought from Daily Objects. Although the market price actually on the website of Daily Objects is 540, but मुझे discounted price पे मिला from Amazon at only rupees 270. So I have saved flat 270 here by buying this from Amazon and not from Daily Objects. This is not a paid promotion, but this is one of the best sites that I find for buying accessories for your phone, phone covers or any such thing. और ये कलर मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं इस तरह से कवर करता है आपके एंड इट्स एक्चुअली प्रोटेक्टिव एज वेल एज इट लुक्स रियली नाइस ऑन योर एयरपॉड्स केस. Now the next thing that we're going to talk about is Apple Watch. This is Apple Watch Series 3. Now the market price for Apple Watch Series 3 is 23,900, but discounted price जो मुझे मिला है is 17,900. This discount is usually there on Amazon all round the year. इस Apple Watch के साथ आपको मिलता है एक मैग्नेटिक चार्जर, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं. It sticks to your Apple Watch like this, and it will not only just show you time, it has a lot of features. You can take calls from your watch, you can send messages. ये आपको 3 straps के साथ मिलता है actually. 2 are the standard straps and there's another one for smaller wrist sizes. So for all kinds of wrist sizes उसको consider करते हुए ये आपको इसके साथ मिलते हैं wrist bands. Also, I did not get this tan watch band that you can see is right now attached to my Apple Watch. I bought these from Daily Objects. The market price for these watch bands is 2,999 per piece, but I got a discounted price of 2,999 for 2 pieces. This was a buy one get one scheme that was applicable on Daily Objects, और ये बहुत frequently लगती रहती है sales, so you just have to keep an eye on such sales so you can avail maximum benefits and maximum discounts when you're buying accessories for your iPhone. The next in line is the most important, which is a tempered glass for your iPhone screens. To protect your iPhone screen from any kind of physical damage, just in case it falls off your hands, it's very important that you put a tempered on your iPhone screen to protect it from damages. iPhone की screen already बहुत expensive होती है, so do not forget to invest in a good quality tempered. ये tempered मैंने order किया है Daily Object से. Again, this is not a paid promotion. This is one of the best sites that I always go to for buying any accessories for my phone, whether it's an iPhone or whether it was my previous OnePlus. I always go to this website because they have really good quality products. Now, like we discussed in the starting of the video, that I sold my previous OnePlus 6 on Cashify. तो मैं आपको एक बार Cashify दिखा देता हूँ कैसे ऑपरेट करता है. You just have to download their app on your phone and it will ask you some basic questions. And all you need to do is select the options applicable for your phone, और ये पूरा प्रोसेस करने के बाद वो आपको आपके फ़ोन की एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू बता देगा, द रीसेल वैल्यू, एंड दे विल कम एंड पिक इट अप फ्रॉम योर डोर, विच इज़ अ ग्रेट फैसिलिटी एंड आई फाउंड इट रियली यूजफुल. लाइक आई सेड, इस वीडियो के एंड में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सारे डिस्काउंट जो हमने अवेल किए ऑन बाइंग ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. सो 20,000 का टोटल डिस्काउंट हमें पड़ा ऑन iPhone 12 Blue 128GB, 5,000 का कैशबैक एंड 15,000 का बेनिफिट ऑन सेलिंग द प्रीवियस फ़ोन ऑन Cashify. 150 का डिस्काउंट हमें मिला ऑन बाइंग द कवर फ्रॉम Amazon. 5,000 का डिस्काउंट वी गॉट ऑन एयरपोर्ट्स. 6,000 का डिस्काउंट वी गॉट ऑन Apple Watch Series 3. 2,999 का डिस्काउंट हमें मिला ऑन बाइंग वॉच बैंड्स फ्रॉम डेली ऑब्जेक्ट्स 1+1 पे, एंड 270 का डिस्काउंट हमें मिला ऑन बाइंग द केस फॉर एयरपोर्ट्स. So total discount comes out to be 34,419 rupees, which is absolutely amazing.
And that was the video, guys. Do let us know in the comments below if you want detailed reviews of the product in this video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.